Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through the process of making a cool looking render with me. So first of all, let's arrange the scene. As you can see, it has a very simplistic design. There you can see the mesh data. The ground was subdivided many times in order to create a surface that tries to imitate the behavior of water. Tell me in the comments if you'd like to see a tutorial on that. The character itself is the OG robot puppet from Mixamo. Now let's look at the render results. Alright, that looks quite nice already, doesn't it? But something's still missing. Let's try something with a cloth simulation. Maybe that wasn't the right thing yet. Oh, I know, let's try and give the water a more realistic behavior. Now that looks awesome. And now, with music, to give it a more cinematic feeling. If you like this little sneak peek into my workflow, give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.